In this lesson, students will investigate buoyant force. They are probably familiar with the push water exerts on them in a swimming pool and how much easier it is to lift something that is underwater. They may not know buoyant force can be measured. Archimedes, who lived 200 years before Christ, figured out a way to measure the buoyant force on an object. Instructions for using a container such as a measuring cup are in the textbook, but a more effective overflow can may be crafted using the following steps. Find a small plastic cup and small section of a straw. Place heavy packaging tape or duct tape on the inside and outside of a section of the cup. Punch a hole in the cup through these layers of tape, just large enough for the straw to fit snugly, using the hole puncher. Fill the cup up with water to the point just below the opening of your straw. Place 8 pennies in a canister and lower it into the cup. Predict if it will float. Measure the displaced water using a graduated cylinder for accurate results. Repeat these steps using 10, 12, 14, and finally 16 pennies. Fill out the chart in the student journal as you go along.